Name a monogamous bird.
Me.
Swan.
Sorry, we just didn't get through there.
Is it? Penguin. Penguin from the audience. Oh, does the audience want one?
That's what happens when you get the
Well done, audience.
That's a clever now. No, it's a nun. It's a nun.
Almost no birds are monogamous. Even ones that are thought of as monogamous are not truly monogamous. They misbehave. They cheat. I mean, the only one we've come up with is the black vulture, where you do genetic tests.
No.
Oh, a proud, handsome fellow.
He is monogamous.
He is
Not by choice.
No infidelity is found by DNA testing, whereas in almost all the other birds...
Ducks they're dirty sods.
Swans are also black swans in particular. 1 in 6 cygnets is the result of extra-pair copulation, what we would call extramarital, despite the love heart and the beautiful romantic shape that they make. Other orders or classes of animal that are genuinely monogamous, apart from black vultures, are the flatworm Diplozoon paradoxum. When a male meets a female, they actually fuse together, so they don't really have any choice in the matter. They remain faithful till death. And voles. It's very sweet. You look at that. How can you not love a vole?
Everything eats them as well. It's such a shame for them. Yeah.
Owls in particular.
An owl can hear the heartbeat of a vole or
a shrew.
I would say when it's 4 feet underground, when it's flying overhead.
Oh, it's amazing.
They've got their concave face, the owls. It's like an echo chamber, and they can hear the heartbeat underground. Is that amazing?
They say they can, anyway.
Yeah.
Yes, I heard it underground.
Yeah, I was like that when I had my ears waxed, and it was like that, you know, coming out of the surgery. Oh, my God, I could hear a vole 4 miles away.
I saw an owl flying for the first time in my life this year.
And they make no noise at all, do they?
No, and apparently they're really thick.
They're not as wise as people have been going on about, have they? Barn owls are really stupid. They don't even know where they live. You know? They have to have the habitat built into the name, you know? Where do I live? Barn, that's it.
Well, voles are monogamous and charming, and indeed their names are an anagram of...
Love.
Yes, isn't that nice? Well, many supposedly monogamous birds have a little tit on the side.
Thank you for watching. Do remember to subscribe to the QI channel and click here to watch more videos. Well, please, come on, pick something.